Good 14 inches. Not bad for December, first week of December. I'm impressed by the snow that we have already this December. I hope it keeps it up. Yeah, it's looking pretty awesome. That's a battery I got from the local dealer. That was $100 versus 175. Excuse me, from the battery that BRP uses. This battery that's in here, I charged it a couple times. It seemed to work okay. Thought it was going to work, but then after about a day or so, or not even a day, probably about 10 hours overnight, it just wouldn't start again. Probably got a dead cell or something in it. Yep, she won't do anything now. She's a goner. All right, got the new battery installed. This is a foreign battery, SLA BTX 20HL, whatever that means, BS battery. So this is the old battery we took out. It was a Yuasa. Those were $175 to replace. And it lasted 4 years, so that was $100. If it lasts 4 years, it was just as good as a $175 one, correct? Right. Maybe we'll take a little bit better care of it. Maybe take it out in the summertime. I don't know what you guys do. You take your batteries out, probably just keep a tender on them, right? Problem is I don't usually have power where I keep my sleds, so plugging in a tender isn't always an option. But taking the battery out, maybe that'd be the ticket. Well, let's see what happens. Well, that's a lot better than before. And just in case anybody's wondering, the batteries, if you've never changed a battery on, I guess a Gen 4 platform, the battery is right behind the seat. Give you a little heads up, in case you're looking and wondering. It's under this cover right here. I know it seems like pretty basic stuff, but some people may not know that. And I have the little Lynx backpack. It goes right behind the seat. This goes on like that. That is a Torx 30. Torx 30 for those screws. And you'll need a 3/8 for that guy. That just releases the battery. And then these guys right here are 10mm. Which is always the hardest socket to find in your set because it's usually somewhere else than right in front of you. I could buy 5 10mm. I still wouldn't be able to find one. Swear to God. Okay. That's that. Well, we encountered a little problem on our little trail ride. That right there. Let's see if I can heave it home and get it out of the way. Otherwise, we're going to have to somehow turn around on this monstrosity of a bank.
Kind of pine trees at?
Red pine. Lots of snow on the hunting shack. Just gonna grab the battery out of this Tacticam because it's dead again. Just bought a brand new battery and put it in there. And it's been sending me emails that it's dead. Yep, sure is dead. That did not that did not last long. Not impressed. That new battery.